my Bafana. I go swallow your pain. I go rapper from Ghana. I go value your body. I go buy you Bugatti. I go take you safari. So make me a lackey. If I walk through the valley, you go call me your daddy. I didn't feel with me think different. Me President Mugabe. Kissing me want me cheek. Me want me multiply. Hope you feeling the heat. You got me so high.
You're welcome to the world of viral skits. Blast.
I say, Jenny Demi Mini Watogodo. What's the Takoma? The Argentina Metamo how Bomobo. I say, Jenny Demi Mini Watogodo. What's the Takoma? The Argentina Metamo how Bomobo. So dog in a passe, one number mamma, one number mamma, passe, one number mamma. Forgetting a damn focus sacramente. Passe one number mamate. One number mambo. Passe one number mamate. Forgetting a damn focus sacramente.
Ohima, my boat time ya chepa. So better na hand chesa. Hey, when you say where you fresh first year like I for push na me transfer. But my bone hopper, when they me then ye be my man down hodo. Beshame who said that the boot, I met choke good do. Yammy budo, brown ball for fro, missy.
When you say one more,
me now me gallery, me so me salary no.
Let's just have my watch.
One bar or no better we put on Capayana me. Mr. Wa, my yet wow. Yaw support my phone and now pen cry. Number Nidia, and what's a midget? Me far by you ain't got your missing. Now on your midday missing.
Passe one number, mamma. One number, mambo. Passe one number, mamma. Forgetting a damn focus sacramente. Passe one number, mamma. One number, mambo. Passe one number, mamma. Forgetting a damn focus sacramente. But yes, your mommy, Nasa baby, be one, yes, so a false me, mammy, did he say, Vinya, what ya may oh, but yes, your mommy, Nasa baby, be one, yes, so a false me, mammy, did he say, Vinya, what ya may so dog in a passive number, mamma, one number, mamma, passive number, mamma, forgetting a damn focus sacrament. Number mama, I say one number mama. You forget
credit son. I buy you way to you on training nana. Na me family snap and me training nana. And penny said, you may feel now penny. You say we me do we say. Men can was sem na obiate. Men no na obiache. Was sem kitwa cry be yame. Or do my me trust it. A coming last and I said, the one Ghana share. Me flow one sama pe. Me biato me yam. Me senior one. Share with them of a senior man. Mami crib. Miss Red Wow, my yeah wow. Kuma, my phone and now pen cry. And I'm banning yet. And what's a midget? Me far by you ain't got your missing. Now when you made
Refuse to be broke. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. Refuse to be broke.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abby Anna, and you're listening to Papa the Cost Watch.
Refuse to be broke.
The
mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. Refuse to be broke. Refuse to be broke. Refuse to be forced to be broke. Refuse to be broke.
Just yesterday, say I'm not gonna fit to make the journey. Even when I pay my toll, say them no go let me wait. I say I'm not gonna stop, they walk on you, they hear me. Cause I know they hear them lies. Don't mind what they say. It be me they choose to listen, nobody for tell me. All because I know be nobody when nobody will sell me. But I still they listen, I they still they pay my levy. Make I not say if I know they try. I no be alone for my team. So when I the reason it be double I the dream. Yeah, it be your bone for your meat. Don't you let nobody crash it, nobody for cheap. It be one life we they live. Like you know they let it go for free. Yeah, oh why you be listening to all them lies. And no mountain is too high. If you try you get to the heights. Yeah, listening to all them lies. And no mountain is too high. Just trying to get to the heights.
Myself clear, yeah. Do I make myself clear? Yeah. Then clap your hands like there was a million mosquitoes in here. Jump like you was some crazy ass frontier. Party people, show me how you feeling back there. Do you wanna party boogie? Then get out your chair. The big
girl, you know what you gotta like. Make I put your body in designer. Make me go shopping what you like, yeah. Louis V, Dolce & Gabbana. Baby, make I put you on, put you on. Put you on the finest things in life. Baby, make I put you on and put you on. Put you on the finest things in life. Yeah. Okay, now. Okay, baby girl. Okay, now. Yeah. Girl, your vibe feel like Hennessy. You didn't make I make so fine. You give me that ecstasy. You didn't make I make so high. Yeah. Designer. Make me go shopping what you like, yeah. Louis V, Dolce & Gabbana. Baby, make I put you on and put you on. Put you on the finest things in life. Baby, make I put you on and put you on. Put you on the finest things in life, yeah. Okay, now. Okay, baby girl. Okay, now. Tell me what was anything and I'm gonna
Have a blessed day.
Mikaza wasuye nevedia bani zaini akume vitenyi na nashijuge yana mina minye ngane mikaza wasuye nevedia bani zaini akume vitenyi na nashijuge mwabasieni tiana kuregu waje mese makoma utiti mabremu wane sabi mwabasieni tiana kuregu wane I know say your love in the fade away. We are no get nothing else to say. And if you love me for really, go show for your eyes, go show for what's anything and I'm grateful. Bido is a yensu mabremu ene sabi mo kwase ni ti ana bremu ene ora ko ni odawo
Cecilia oh me da fopa nansen me kan na waka kaneno da na wada ose me ketepa frena na waba nsempi ne hihye utrim sese wo hu me kra wonti me hwe manim da wakata woni ebo me kromizim wasieniti ana agregu mabregu
I can see that you body
sembe ba debi so wasi
a lot of things that you want to
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
baby girl, say you confuse me. I say you confuse me. Everybody come on me, we are on this. Finish. I don't know how you enter me, can this. It was so I'm sorry, I want you in this. Sing this. why me had this something. Why not any other little issue? Them is minor.
But I girl be my pussy. Yeah. You will on my cats. Well, tell me if you smell like David, but down there be a big Goliath. So me I can see that you bad to me. A lot of things that you want to you.
Have a blessed day.
I'm not gonna leave you on the end of the road. Give me all love, and you know it's safe. Baby, never listen to what them say. Into the future with you. I'm not gonna leave you on the end of the road. Give me all love, and you know it's safe. Baby, never listen to what them say. Me give her something with the sweet and ginger. She never get it more than see. Cause she come here every man, he say she tired of the mac and cheese. One thing more of the geezer. But I want and touch and she already fainting. All them time we be participating. She never know what I'm anticipating. The mission is hard for the taking. Me I watch you long time. I dey see you for dream. You don't be one time. Baby, I want to go into the future with you. I'm not gonna leave you at the end of the road. Give me your love and you know it's safe. Baby, never listen to what them say. Into the future with you. I'm not gonna leave you at the end of the road. Give me your love and you know it's safe. Baby, never listen to what them say. Me give her something with the sweet and ginger. She never get it more than see. Cause she come here every man, he say she tired of the mac and cheese. One thing more of the geezer. But I want and touch and she already fainting. All them time we be participating. She never know what I'm anticipating. The mission is hard for the taking. Me I watch you long time. I dey see you for dream. You don't be one time. Baby, I want to go into the future with you. I'm not gonna leave you on the end of the road. Give me your love and you know it's safe. Baby, never listen to what them say. Into the future with you. I'm not gonna leave you on the end of the road. Give me your love and you know it's safe. Baby, never listen to what them say. Into the future with you. I'm not gonna leave you on the end of the road. Give me your
Right, so it's only 37 minutes after 10.
listen to what them say. Into the future with you.
93.3 FM, folks. Midweek edition of Juma Jumanes Dazili. And we here. I say, Yatina Sebusia, maybe I should be on what to say. I'm watching more about 93.3 FM. So, say happy to be the 24th day of the month, May. And it's Wednesday, of course. I bet you now she say, ever so many idea. Anyways, your friend made Jenny Champion Boatin, but my friend Kobena Kosti. I brought a part of Perfect Gentleman music from Stonebwoy, and it calls this one Into the Future. And of course, this did I say it's the most trending song at the moment? Let me anyways, music of Stonebwoy, Into the Future. I wish I will be once again more Kwaba. I'm watching at about 93.3 of Juma. And I was so good. Here from a Kobena Kosti. I said I can see a point and come production team and come Mr. Billy Kobe K. And then so DJ Shabu. Miss Outwhere somewhere. Making sure everybody goes to Yamon and so now. There's a big shout, my man. DJ Shabu. Big shout to Emmanuel Jumo. Charlie. Ufe fan. Right, it's Akoya Wednesday, and of course, the daily dose of motivation is my bro. The Crown Shots, my bro. And I'll say your lifestyle segments, and then on the show, just because it's a Wednesday. Yeah, it's a Wednesday. And do themselves Wednesday, we are not. I'm sharing the economy after our motivational message. Now the lifestyle segment is so bro. So this is what we do on the show on Wednesday. It's a midweek edition of Juma. About you wait me join the show live on Facebook. Wait me join the show live on Facebook. I think 93.3 FM. I will Facebook. Wait to start sending me first message. That was 0594 841 044 0594 841 044 0594 841 your first message number, and I'll say SMS. So I mean WhatsApp. What's with the message enough for holding there? I'm fine check as usual and come on, Mr. Orben, Mr. Chumesi, KNL, as any phone in any back up, Salum the Gambia, Berman Quine, and a plasma detailer. Plasma, I want to say plasma detailer. I watch my shiny market. Guy, no, a guy brutal. And again, then come on, Bra Michael. Bra Michael, we a carpenter over SDA Johnson. And I pay want to say, one of my Hannah special gobe joints. My Hannah, good morning. And come on now, and come on. Exclusive beauty salon SDA Johnson. And a fear beam, good morning, and come on. So this is your song actually, Into the Future. It's a good morning and come on with the OT. Good morning. If a good morning, because you have come on parties golden seasons. I said that big beauty salon. Good morning, Ma Hannah and Ma Vida. Oh Jubilee Bridge, and so good morning. Come on, so Genesee Fashion. Good morning, and also good morning, because you come on Charities Fashion. Charities Fashion, pay good morning and come on, and again, good morning, and so and come on, Jaji or Kameni Johnson, the DJ Lion. We want to sound up Ishmael, his graceful. Good morning and come on, so cry here for cry say.
Baby, never listen to what them say. Me give you something with the sweet.
Oh, hey, Jamaica, I'm fan of that. Ishmael, no pay me also. Wanting more of the geese. After quality fashion, over Liberty Transport, Gates in Honoma, and I'll pay me manager, me general manager say. We'll rave baby, and I'll have Debia, and I'll pay each and every morning. Almost say so rough. Must see a friend of Madame Florence. Madame Florence, or what dependable beauty salon, was CAC Newtown. CAC Newtown, dependable beauty salon. Son of Pebia, I will be with this. Mother can't listen to what I say. Ready every general manager and chain. Dependable beauty salon was CAC Newtown. Good morning and come on now for Emmanuel Amauga. Good morning, come on, so the electrician will always. Now to my factory drivers, good morning and come on, Brad David Apasco, Raouf, MP3, Staga, Obama, Ricardo, Obatampa, Jonathan Medishe. Good morning and come on, Richmond. I want to say, when you appear, Amos, and I'll say, Tilapia, Banchi, Kubonash. Good morning. Come on, Pierrot, Braquam Yokasie, Baruso Boy. Good morning. And again, good morning, Zone Coma. Achimodan Government Hospital staff singing teach you, and Madame Pat, Madame Maggie, Madame Vera, and Nanajwa. Alright, so it's 43 minutes after 10. Wasugusha with 93.3 FM.
Leave you at the end of the road. Give me your love and you know it's safe. Baby, never listen to what them say. Into the future with you. I'm not gonna leave you at the end of the road. Give me your love and you know it's safe. Baby, never listen to what them say. Me give her something with the sweet and ginger. She never get it mad and see. Cause she call me every man. He say she tired of the mac and cheese. Wanting more of the geezer. But I want and touch and she already fainting. All them time with the participating. She never know what I'm anticipating. The mission is hard for the taking. Me I watch you long time. I just see you for dream. You don't be one time. Baby, I want to go into the future with you. I'm not gonna leave you at the end of the road. Give me your love and you know it's safe. Baby, never listen to what them say. Into the future with you. I'm not gonna leave you at the end of the road. Give me your love and you know it's safe. Baby, never listen to what them say.
Have a blessed day.
I'm not gonna leave you, girl. Send me out.
Have a blessed
No
day.
other person. I go love you better than you a blessing. Physically you a fit, your thing amazing. Now look further, done with the searching. Me I watch you long
one time. I dey see you for dream, oh. You don't be one time. Baby, I want to go into the future with you. I'm not gonna leave you at the end of the road. Give me your love and you know it's safe. Baby, never listen to what them say. Into the future with you. I'm not gonna leave you at the end of the road. Give me your love and you know it's safe. Baby, never listen to what them say.
Right, so happy birthday, Enkoma Edna, my own Edna. We are Juma. I watch him Odan, Ghana Commercial Bank, Achimodan branch. Sweetheart, Yanko Ponyo Kessiopa. I mean, you know how we do this, yeah. And happy birthday to Edna. Make her then grab. I mean, Charlie, she's a queen and more. You get it. And happy birthday to you, Edna of Ghana Commercial Bank, Achimodan branch. It's a birthday today, and I mean, more money, good health, and a responsible man. Yeah, that is what we pray for you today as you enjoy your special day. So happy birthday once again to you, Edna. She's a very good friend of mine. I like her. Yeah, happy birthday, Charlie. I didn't catch him in your mouth as well. I'm in proper you see, just tell me. Just tell me what you want to listen to. Alright, yeah, the daily dose of motivation in the Jiffy. But in the meantime, let's listen to some music for some, I think, 2 or 3 minutes. We'll be back with our daily dose of motivations. Good morning, have a wonderful day, and enjoy your day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
trendybeats.com.
Into the future with you. I'm not gonna leave you at the end of the road. Give me your love and you know it's safe. Baby, never listen to what them say. Into the future with you. I'm not gonna leave you at the end of the road. Give me your love and you know it's safe. Baby, never listen to what them say. Me give her something with the sweet and ginger. She never get it mad and see. Cause she call me every man. He say she tired of the mac and cheese. One thing more of the geezer. Well, I want and touch and she already fainting. All them time we be participating. She never know what I'm anticipating. The mission is hard for the taking. Me I watch you long time. I dey see you for dream. You don't be one time. Baby, I want to go into the future with you. I'm not gonna leave you at the end of the road. Give me your love and you know it's safe. Baby, never listen to what them say. Love you better than you a blessing. Physically you a fit, your thing amazing. Now look further down with the searching. Me I watch you long time. I dey see you for dream. You don't be one time. Baby, I want to go into the future with you. I'm not gonna leave you at the end of the road. Give me your love and you know it's safe. Baby, never listen to what them say. Into the future with you. I'm not gonna leave you at the end of the road.
Everything go think my girl, go with that king, go with that brother that make looks like a singer, sing my girl and then roll with that king, roll with that brother that can give you everything, go think my girl, roll with that king, cause every good man is a queen, what you think, go think. Oh, I love the way you put it on me, when you put on my family goodie on me, you always take a head like the hoodie on me, girl you know for sure I don't go leave you lonely, so go ahead and put it on me, when you put on my family goodie on me, you always take a head like the hoodie on me, girl you know for sure I don't go leave you lonely. phenomenal, she motivates, she elevates, she better than boss. She phenomenal, she motivates, she elevates, she better than boss. She phenomenal, she motivates, she elevates, she better.
Don't come in late. If you don't hustle with me from the beginning, oh what a shame. Why do you want me to fail at the end of the day? Don't come in late. If you don't hustle with me from the beginning, oh what a shame. Why do you want me to fail at the end of the day? You only know my name, you don't know my story. Oh no, no, no. Oh no, 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 no. Ask me also for the paper, and I put life first and I ask God for favor. Wishing good for my neighbor. Already at did there figure help with the labor. Nowhere to find them, only a few was kind and like I diamond from the doors, I knew my star will shine. Don't come in late, don't come in late. If you don't hustle with me from the beginning, oh what a shame. Why do you want me to fail at the end of the day? Don't come in late. If you don't hustle with me from the beginning, oh what a shame. Why do you want me to fail at the end of the day? You only know my name, you don't know my story. Oh no, no, no. Oh no, 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 no. Me don't know why they want me expire. Me house fi catch fire. Flat just like a car tire. Me now start pray to the Messiah. The devil is a liar. I just keep going higher. Ay, 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 ay. See them know my name, them no know my story. Na, 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 na. Talk your own to me, it no matter. Yeah, yeah. Don't come in late. If you don't hustle with me from the beginning, oh what a shame. Why do you want me to fail at the end of the day? Don't come in late. If you don't hustle with me from the beginning, oh what a shame. Why do you want me to fail at the end of the day? You only know my name, you don't know my story. Oh no, no, no. Oh no, 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 no. I don't owe you nothing, just keep pushing my thing. You don't owe me nothing, better focus on your thing. I don't owe you nothing, just keep pushing my thing. You don't owe me nothing, better you focus on your thing. I'm so
don't call me name, even though it has to be me from the beginning. Oh what a shame. Let's go for you with them to ban. Go for you with them yadi. Alright, so a few minutes to hit 11. And then your daily dose of motivations, bro. And then motivational message, you know, was inspired by my washroom. Yeah. So today when I was going to bath, I had don't worry, when we get into that, I will tell you more about it. But in the meantime, Nyamiya Adoma. So with Tifu, TMU, so Nyamiya Adoma with Tifu. I mean, baby, I'll wait to make you tea. Make sure me fella na me ma. Now, I Nelly's haircuts. I watch Chima Sani. Nelly's haircuts. I watch Chima Sani. So your buyer bema. We a penny you person ko yuti mkwala mbeti ma ko yimuti wo. Ye sanso ye perm cuts. So why perm na be see come up now this shaving and trimming also. Ninya. Oba Nelly's haircut watch Chima Sani an. Ye mo look fine pa. Mo show Facebook na me hu mitina. So it was just last Sunday. Nelly's haircuts. Okwa. Now I you tea come up a boy and we try to open so die with tea. I'll bet me at the Calabia. Nelly's haircut. In fact, what call Hanoma? What baby say? What call baby? In fact, I was so go you tea. What do you say? Oh, you tea. Yeah, baby, a bit on my way you tea. When Rush is being idea we could go corn hairline at the end. So make sure Nelly's haircut today. In fact, more. Normal honomo you TV out the befi fa so be make sure say rashes bi engu be make sure say problem bia ma wuti hu echire enti so we pen me na pese wo twa pen me ni gu wo ya kwala wo pese ko yi wuti penny pese ko yi wuti pese ko dai kala bia no ko Nelly's haircut e wa chim asene ewisa tio achim asene ewisa. Now promotion because promotion is was a 1 month drastic reduction in the prices of all services. And you know 1 month in here I'm with the after home no say you tina say you 10 cedis alcohol ma wait ma 3 cedis Inti no kwa na okuta sika kakra na de show nsi no akọ Nelly's haircut. Tie Nelly's haircut. Awachima se ni ewisa. Honoma after abobo ya abenkwamo na wa Service of God kwan so honoma na obehu Nelly's haircut. Udu na obehu se kobna bo ho fine boy pa na no call small boy as we twi conscience sanya me born so dey mean if I obekọ na no call na oboho ne ade ati Nelly's haircut obetimi afrem pedifo was 0542 524856. Your friend Kobena Ado 0542 524856. Now I call Nelly's haircut. Nah, Joe, okay, you're fine. What is it? Uko programmer, you need to look good. Nah, you knew it in the boys. Come up. Now, daily dose of motivations. Color Studios and Digital Broadway Adaroma. No, maybe I'm near the Crown Shall Sema the bro. Color Studios, watch Modern Liberty Transport, Opsit, Kenop Pharmacy. Me pa chop show baby papa. Makoye t-shirts, upe baby akoye Lacoste, upe baby akoye picture framing, upe baby aku try yes save the date o pictures ni o birthdays ni ade ene Edna birthday ni nyoko twa Color Studios me show o pictures na o Facebook guys and papa ko bi o pictures ni bi oh mami ncho pictures ni bi endo pushi mami o hwe pictures ni pa and pa o so no abaya no yo so no pa heavy Edna do heavy o Edna do heavy pa okay intebini oh we for ni bini phone ni bini yeah colors ayo juma ni nya e ba hwe ma music na ha de Edna heavy basa Ninya Color Studios and Digital Broadway. If I try to pay a bora hona, I am sort out 0245276638 0245276638 Color Studios and Digital Broadway and pay bora hona fe. I am sort of now. Yanko straight to our daily dose of motivation. Yanko Crown Shall some says yeah. Right, it's a shadow poem Crown Shall Semono. Megare Hona Misha and we buy me trim. So I don't know if I should share this. It's actually my experience, my life. I mean, something just happened. So from Saturday, something happened, and I wasn't okay. Yeah, Saturday, BBC. And I'm saying this, men can't at the crazy move, but at the crazy, and I'm man, you're okay. A breaking me, seriously, a breaking me down, just Saturday, And I've been going through this, trying to, figure out things and what to do to, be stable and all of that. And and I'm a brave about me trim. I have so many thoughts. And you may over home. I mean, doing a whole lot of 1 or 2 be just to make yourself cool and comfortable. So once I'm reading, I say, Jonathan Busavi said, "Today be a better now. Say me man motivational message. I do I motivate myself as well." And I said, "Me can't for just radio sick." And I told him, "No." I am one person, and before me who your friend is saying me who productions, me who motivational message for the day no. Me make sure say some message na nkasa ni me be kasa na ma be kasa agire mo. Me make sure the be say whatever motivational message I me be bre mu bia no. Me ma ade no ni me kasa, ade ni wura me mu ansa na me de abre mo. To make sure say in as much as I give you guys everyday motivational message, I also motivate myself. Because I'm motivating Muhammad and motivating me. What I say? There are things I go through. You see, sometimes you feel like you want to talk to someone, and I say you feel like you want to push something out just to get things out of your chest. I'm human. Yes, I'm human just like Obia. So I have emotions. It's in me corner, money there. But you see, sometimes sitting and tell myself, what's the purpose of life? Your purpose, about type one, the same as upon your family up and downs. This, I mean, stress, family issues, up and downs. I mean, you know, what's our purpose in this life? Sometimes I say, what's really our purpose in this life? So when I was going through what I was going through since Saturday, me kojare one day, I think Wednesday one. So it was just yesterday. It was just Obia would easily or clearly say something wasn't right with me. And I one person, me one type of person. Apart from me, mommy, and a few people around me, are very difficult to share things. And I say, no, I have it to people. Very difficult. And see, no man say, aside if you am poor, I don't think Obia who say something wasn't good with me. Obia no who because I'm a happy man. Yeah, me Jimmy, I cheer up and things, but I was going through stuffs which was really hurting me inside. So just yesterday, put yourself together. Put yourself together. Now, why am I saying all this? Minim say nipa ya wasasi izu say me how many kan ye mu bebre ye nam problems bi ma. And I say situation be atoye na any kwansen ketoye ya. Because ye mputi ya ho together ntino. Ama ade no agigi nsem na ama de na baby kese bi pa. I mean something huge o solve cry nye. I am saying this me can way on the just to motivate Obi Awotie me say whatever you are going through, whatever the issue may be, whatever the thing is, please put yourself together. Put yourself together. What I mean is, you need to get control over your emotions and actions. Because whatever you are going through, someone might also be going through that same idea. But the person has survived. I'm saying, if you put yourself together, you will know why you are on earth. If you put yourself together, you will know your purpose on this earth. Please, whatever it is, just put yourself together. At this same, and I'm okay now. But just Saturday after Showbiz 93, something happened. It broke me. I won't lie, baby. Because me, I've had people sharing me their experience. So why won't I share with you my experience or whatever I've been facing lately? It was just this Saturday. It broke me. I didn't even go to church on Sunday. It broke me. And there's this connection between me and my mommy. I don't know how and why. Time will be batumino. I don't call her. But guess what? Anytime my family be she'll be the first person to call and ask what to sing. Me name nentia. She me wo bibi na me feel I need to talk to someone. She'll be the first person to call. Me name idea cause but no, she will call. What to say? So this Saturday, I lied. I don't know. She called. What to say? Now I watch me, and I will feel me say me where palm, me movie grab. But I was lying. Because that time, what I was going through, I felt this is not the time to talk to her. When you say you move a brain, so your situation be ma. You feel said this is not the time to talk to closest people. I know, pa. And just say, what's your man pay? Na what situation be more? Me pacho. When you pan situation into no, person no yere crab kasa, person no mama be kasa, person no bush ni bi, person no dan for be crab kasa. In fact, be bia when he say put yourself together. Taxi driver who problem now and then when the passenger for betanaka no man say oh kasa bia keke de chromo. Sometimes anya obi wa yen photo obi hu obi obu ade pa but ade bi on name on to me kan chro bi ntina afi de ama ne kasa kra sei na ma wo muna na mo ne nkofo kasa basa ne ade a me srew. Put yourself together. Put yourself together, me srew pa da on name bi ano. Try your best and put yourself together. You'll be okay. You'll be fine. Trust me. Just focus on your purpose in life. You are doing free whatever. Ade bia me say me my friend na say bia me camp there me feel which now. The way catch say you are doing free so. Send assembly bia we can say o kan wa say nya bi o say you are doing free so. You are doing free so. Me patcho. The only musician you are doing free so. When you say be I think it was yesterday. And I'm sure Facebook, dear Lord. When I was okay, finally, when I was okay, and I'm sure, dear Lord, on Facebook. And one guy came to comment, thank you for everything. I was like, hey, guy, I come ask my mommy. Make sure Facebook, dear Lord. I think I wrote, dear God. Yes, I wrote, dear God. And guy be commenting, well, I didn't say, thank you for everything. It's like, inshallah. Because what I was going through, and finally, I was able to put myself together. Let me focus on the purpose. I mean, my purpose of this life. I was like, Charlie. After all, then the Joshua says, what I say, you need to put yourself together regardless. Thank God for everything. Yanko breaking brushes here. Yaba 93.3 FM. We're still here, and obviously our lifestyle segment will come your way. You're from Kopna Boatin. Stay tuned. My boss is here.
Ghana Kuyafwe Yamamu Aiko Agro Ecom Ghana Limited Yakane na your friend Amajaru and Chia Eni Agro Ecom Ghana Limited any Unicom Commodities Ghana Limited the Assemble Break Kuyafwa Yanemo Ye Juma Brainina na said Yamunim Agro Ecom Ghana Limited any Unicom Commodities Ghana Limited Ana Amajaru no Afibia Yecha Premium Ana bonus Emma Kuyafwa Waton Wonko Emma Amajaru Ana Ecom Ghana Limited. Afin so sa ene yebeye no na ye kai mo se ebre no aso. Kuafo ene mudi juma wo certification ene akwa hodo so no. Eye Agro Ecom Ghana Limited. Ene Unicom Commodities Ghana Limited. Ena ebe tua bonus no amamo. Na se de yebeye ne yahuna kuafo kan a woton won koko Emma Agro Ecom Ghana Limited. Tete ho Amajaru no yebetua sika no agu society bia account mu. Na society mpanifo no aboa yen ametua sika no de amekuafo no. Baabi wo ho a yebetua fa kuafo no momoso. Baabi susu wo ho a yebetua cash ena baabi susu e wo ho a yebetua to kuafo no account mu direct. Nya yesre kuafo no ne se mo bahu mu kuo mpanifo no atoto bibia kama se be ya sika no ba wonsa ebe kan de. Eye Agro Ecom Ghana Limited ene Unicom Commodities Ghana Limited ena ebetua bonus no amamo. Na yesre nso bio se wonsa ka osika no a team ana sign na nya dansidie se wonsa ka bonus ana premium na nanom akuafo e company for edamase Amajaru mpanifo se esa mwase tena penti odamase damase a ensada Ghana akuafo Agro Ecom Ghana Limited atete ho ne ye friend Amajaru se omamwaiko
all correct sir I take a woman Merimedro delay man capsules ya wonum ye die boy ye ahode na wanya ne sa no wo delay adwuma no so papa na wo che na wo ye ni ye pa delay man capsules I don't know ama me sisi me kotodwe mo ye den I can see na local mixture ene the capsules a e ma ne merima nyina num bie no me num bie no me do wo hu me say me hu se wa hifie ho ayefe neat pa enti na wo kɔ hye wo delay sa local mixture and the capsules means so afichi kromo yaw biem mewra se wo be delay kra no a means no Bema na wo baby a wo behuru dia wo mpe ana wo beti ya obi e wo ho baby a no. Fa law care mixture esia no. Yare bi te se gonorrhea, white, syphilis, and the keka ho no wo bi a. Woni ntime nyi da. Enti ma law care mixture and the capsules. E meyi free ho. E wo herba and pharmacies nyina mu. Dodo afre 0242 133 577 and 0202 675 778. Law care mixture and the capsules. And what's that there? In kind.
So Famuko, na Yarbe to Muntumgra. Yes, soon the baby, Yabesim way.
Braquisi, make Nupian, a Pnisam and Fanning Connicrumo. Walk on malaria, tets and a dodo.
Oh, I have one herbal capsules and a mixture. Ebu Yarego for me, Monte, and the idea Simu. Seban Coco Yaria dia, a Drauiani of one herbal capsules. A Bujumapa. Nana mixture, Michra of one herbal mixture study. Malaria slow coco. A two malaria say. When to, I want to do. Umpo Moyemre. Bobby, Omodosu Yana drugstores and herbal shops. Your number 055-44-80062. Avanoye ALVA. A drawing your mapping for. Nyoman the Benu for. And Abufra on the Fiedumian. Or your malaria test. Nasa a positive. We drani ava one herbal mixture. Wakimoda open do etua. Ube more Piasa and Pedu. Or Wakim State College. Junction Neso. Abu Abumen Road Neso. Ubenya Biswato and 14 drugstore. Kenop Pharmacy. Or Chiniba drugstore. Akim Sedoso. Bosume Pharmacy. And Achime Wisasu KB drugstore. Ava one herbal capsules. Nene Mesha. Peking crime. FDA. Aji Ejedi and Kratuyatu.
Hi, you're from your foreman. Mejuma Sweni, ain't you obia pemasem? So, would you a Juma Shamisa? Mesha say, Usika and Co Waste. Ain't he? Me Tomino Menina free jump trading enterprise. Mr. Mensa, Anna, Chairman Mensan chain, and Tisawo cement, Gasem, Diamond, Anna says, Simouth, Nina, Ubenyebi Ato, Mr. Mensa, Anna Chairman Mensan chain, Open Nadwa, all inches, iron rolls, 16mm to quarter rolls, POP, plaster balls, Kenoff, Papa Panibi, fiber, set tinting anatetia, open barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, ana empo, opa butchery paints, home champ, big and as a small size, Nina, Ubenya Biatowo, Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, Anasa Chairman Mensan Chain, or Wakameni Junction, on Ejaji and a Dinshanim, friend 0208 123 872, and 0244 566 880, Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra, Nani Buono, edit that form.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huadeng.
Refuse to grow, and young offense swabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready Pedrian Musamaya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia, Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing in no, a boy who buying every home. And now Ompa, Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya Omuntim Pose, Yaria Esiomo, Imbusaba Mesa, and walk Kanshi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, and to form friend 0246 208496. Imbus Haba Mesa, police in no Edrono, and Kratway FDA, Asayasi.
Cascades on it.
Yo, gang, make I tell you what the party day. Saturday, 10th June 2023, the party's office, Rise Under Power, presents a Bontin Music Festival, Prom Night, with the evergreen dancehall artist, Ras Kuku.
Well, you don't know Ras Kuku, need to get to the president, RK, original, the man himself, you don't know me. There, I think what I for Musideng, Akimoda, Abuaburu, no Susu, Yebese, on the 3rd June. So I said, Raskuku, me bem, my baby see me. Minimum in a baby party, I want him for Rise Under Pub. So on the 3rd June, there is all about Raskuku inside Akim, Madame Bume reloaded. So as I say, bless up.
Yes, and you're free, no get fibia, but for table reservation, free 0240-539433. Joe Branian Poppy, Branian Chieni all night.
Is it right here? Yeah. Let me see Jaja here. What's I
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
ZackNation.net.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Everything I feel in my heart and soul. Oh, I should see me so. I'm smiling, but I'm dead inside. Look into my eyes, see the pain inside. I don't wanna chill, I wanna stay inside. If I show you my liver, you go take me to prayer. Don't wait till I'm under 6 feet, I'm gone. And I go tell you I'm strong. Then go sing my songs. Make nobody call my phone. I've been on my own. So many things, man, I see for life. And if you know me, mama, how I feel survive, that be the reason why I call Susanna. Make she come and hold my body. I day so low because say nobody can forgive me the ginger. Why low? I'm in pain. Somebody shut the door to my finger. Nobody knows the things that I be going through. Nobody knows the things that I be going through. If I show you my liver, you go take me to prayer. Don't wait till I'm under 6 feet, I'm gone. And I go tell you I'm strong. Then go sing my song. Make nobody call my phone. I've always been on my own. If I tell you, say I'm okay, I like everything I feel in my heart.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
I'm smiling, but I'm dead inside. Look into my eyes, see the pain inside. I don't wanna chill, I wanna stay inside. I don't wanna cry.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
You say you wanna low, low.
put the sugar for my cocoa. Girl, call me on the phone and I'll be there. And baby, I'll be there. You make a bad man one color. I'm on my way. In a little traffic, but I won't be late. Can't wait to put it on you. Anything I do it for you. Girl, you fire. Me can't deny that. Many girl for me and by you brother. Tell me who on you, my me water. I go be your Santa.
Just on the emo again, yeah. She refuse to do me like wobble. Yeah. Same taste, a pigeon line and more. The
mid-morning show.
She did make a crazy to the body shape, yeah. Give me good soup on a Sunday, yeah. Follow for you on the first day. Me blow your dimmy nice one, yeah. Oh, you change mine, get home for a while. Oh, you change mine, get home for a while. All them other boys just to go school, yeah. Won't make you know, say I do wow. Won't make you know, say I do wow. Never let you go, say I do wow. I put all the energy you give me in the song. All the good vibe you give me in the song. I put all the love that you give me to everything. My pretty little thing, see I never. Put all the energy you give me in the song. All the good vibe you give me in the song. I put all the love that you give me to everything. My pretty little thing, see I never.
Girl, you blow my mind, yeah. I need my girl like a boy, loving girl, no need to so I need my feet, I know.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Kosti. What?
Right, so 25 after 11, 93.3 of Babushia. Alright, so we on here and yo. Okay, so midweek edition of Juma, of course. You're making sure so what Juma no be ko yi the amount. What I say? Oh boy, friends say Juma na yezo ya bo nyum na ya ma utima yo den ya. Alright, the bobo room to our lifestyle segment here on 93.3 FM. But in the meantime, let me tell you about what is going to happen on 31st May. What is going to happen? I think it's just about 7 days more. Maybe sure they be see watch him Abu Krum here. Right, so Hinkan FM, yani the Blues Pop, the Europa League final match, no commentary be so e wo fi ha no na after and I say this is just wo fi ha no commentary so no na ye hwe game no so live e wo the Blues Pop and it so say Europa final match na say final game no league no final game no ye be ko hwe e wo the Blues Pop it so say the game between Sevilla and AC Milan ye ko hwe free ye ngisika bia free e wo the Blues Pop it Michelle oba repping your jerseys na best support to favorite team either AS Roma and as Sevilla na NG ni adia yesa wi so a na ya the jams so ato so na G ni with the Blues Pop na the Blues Pop ya tonton local dishes bi to say fufu tioza fi ben kunkoko nfe na fe ampesie ya wo mutuo nso ya so ho upper fried rice super pizza noodles ni na obenya bi e wo the Blues Pop. The Blues Pop. I say, ya wa abo hanum ya. Say o various office na utie mi na ebia. O pese ye bro aduane ewie. O pese wo da. You see sometimes o pay free office akọ aduane di cry so stressful. I say, ka be boss wa ben na. I mean, people just sit in the comfort of your office. Na fa phone na free. Na ye nye delivery ni for my friend was 0246 970146. 0246-970146 na you na open catch na yam fan bro now nyame adom so on 3rd June 3rd June a Bonte Music Festival right under the party's office Pop 360 presents promo night with Raskuku. And Nyame this 3rd June. And I will rise on the pub. You know Raskuku. You boom ya Gianina for your Poppy Street in there. And the boys, girls, Michelle Faka budget to what I say. Faka budget to say on 3rd June. Me boys, ye pay Quabon team be outside. You got Gianina there. And now for table reservation. For table reservation, my number be na Fred catches say Joe, me boys never, me girls never until the show reserve table for my I'm best situation. Remember now for table cry, you be near the end because of Hobby Madadino at your friend 0240539433 0240539433. Now you reserve table and for mount Raskuku Pum Domin Saman Pum for you na. Now Regent Roof and Construction method what you here or say open baby papa aton chance na ko bobo dan so they are Regent Roof and Construction they are available almost about be on gate on pon at ho no bi biara o pese o beto roofing papa enti na usi no monsieur say open roofing papa and that could go down so man to she can't train there be called Regent Roof and Construction chain one per roof of upon Fengusu amount free estimate never show not the wa hodo just line so plate a hodo over here na there ya my own to the sabio over to be na the canoe who they are on there be over Regent ever show do ever so na untusi canton train. About your friend was 054431350405 na 0244134119. Regent Roofing Construction Limited will see your home of reliable roofing products. Frimpong Enterprise watch him odan haya.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Me patrosha upe baby atoto nyoma kogu shop aton ana upe provisions akọ school ye be school pe provisions da akọ school upe provisions in poda kogu fie in fact upe drinks in the kogu fridge money ade a me sure call from Frimpong Enterprise ya ton more bags akese na nketo ne ade mackerel so ye African Queen Obapa Lily mackerel ne ade.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
After super cooking oils, sunflower, no fly thorn ya the na oba yaswa ya me show benye biato. Fan channel so say Frimpong Enterprise and kwan na shop e ukrom hanoma. Ye normal boy fo. Enye baby ya overpricing your man. We was ade bi how team say ade last week me got on 10 cedis and they have the ban say they do 15 cedis. Me say me perfume bi na me use pa. Na me tato me mbo hodi me ko ya de 12 cities atoso ade there be sara nkofo ye odwen wa wonti ase me sure Frimpong Enterprise and kwan na shop a se what on 10 cities a 2 man time we connect 10 cities ya for bin ka ho nya sika ni brenti ne yeti ho enchi no me sure wo be a shop wo be a provision store o fie ni mana baby bia utie me bia wo provision store open nyoma gu ma ton nyamfa so de Frimpong Enterprise ya wo mandarin ase ho no pe ya shop ba ko so e wo ye old GN Bank wa free 0244897525 na 0206473953 024111 try to much say Jam Trading Enterprise Mr. Mensa o say afọ me kan choro bia o tie me se say what the new addition product for kra abeka enoma workshop no marine board na marine board no sisi ase ne ho aye den no enkofo bebre nya bi nto ebi muso kwa na ya de boka na ma musa but over Frimpong Enterprise Mr. Mensa Michelle bebre na no dia ba de ye papa nso no ene odi aba a Jam Trading Enterprise. And you know, so open marine board at all. Now I'm gonna swear, open plaster board, wabaho, open POP bra, open iron rods, nadwa, open plaster boards, fiber, open center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood. Ligina now do near children where Jam Trading Enterprise or Kameni Junction on Ijaji. On Ijaji the Din our Kameni Junction Honoma. And you know, the Opebia no cement, a hoodwa Opebia, a Michelle Bra. So free chichi chance of watching my down on what tournament bebre. Your cow on my betty me that could jow. Now, BBS with Makoshi Panama Fred 0208 12387202445668880. Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensah, and I said Chairman Mensah. Nah, I am proper. She come up.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello there. This is your favorite girl, Abby Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Kosti.
My body now your own, oh baby. 30 billion for the account, yo. Yeah, Versace and Gucci for your body, oh baby.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abby Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Kosti.
My number one in tutu, sipping bruku tutu. For your love it tutu, I go chuku. Biko obianuju, share you do me juju, cause I'm feeling the juju. Shake it to you, take it. I wanna dash it to you, take it. You can have it to you, take it. You know I got this in you, take it. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
Okay, so 93.3 of big shouts to Veronica Dede, all the way in the United Kingdom. Well, say good morning, Kwabena Kosti. Hope you are well. I hope whatever happened to you Saturday has been resolved. Yes, of course, Veronica. God bless. Amen. Alright, so let's get into our lifestyle segment here on 93.3 F, and of course, I'm fired up. Alright, you see, and then on a lifestyle segment, we're going to talk about things you should never do in a rush. Things you should never do in a rush, okay? And your lifestyle segment in Koma Yedini, things and no many questions we are in a rush.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abby Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Kosti.
Hey, my sweet Bobo. Oh, okay, so too often we rush through our daily lives and end up making mistakes and wrong decisions or wrong choices. Later we regret these decisions, but most of the time it's too late to go back and reserve whatever we did in a rush. And you know, nobody didn't come on things you should never do in a rush, okay? Now, most people spend their lives choosing instant gratification over long-term satisfactions, and it really edge. Yeah, sometimes if you take certain decisions in a rush, you turn out, to regret and all that. Now, we seems to be addicted to spend and efficiency. And while this might sound like a good thing, it often leads to wrong choices and regret. Now, let me share with you about just 5 points why you should never do things in a rush. Now, point number one, things you should never do in a rush, okay? And no matter when say, in a rush, you do not need to rush yourself in doing or taking certain decisions. Now, point number one, don't rush to start a business because everyone else is doing it. Now, listen, don't rush to start a business because everyone else is doing it. This is point number one, okay? Nowadays, starting a business seems to be a trend instead of a lifelong decision. So many coaches and influencers are trying to convince you that running your own businesses is the only way to live a great life. But that is not the truth, okay? That's absolutely not the truth, okay? Shadizo said, setting up a business is okay, but I don't just setting up a business, not just, everything will be okay, just like, or before Friday. What does it say? Shadizo said, entrepreneurship isn't for everyone. Entrepreneurship, and you get it. It's tough. It requires real power, persistence, and the will to keep going, even if things seem not to be okay and all of that. Shadow to say, you won't fall for the shiny object syndrome just because you see a few successful entrepreneurs. Most businesses fail, and most entrepreneurs regret putting their time and energy into a project that wasn't well worth. So these are again, I was Shannon Sobakunsu. I just will be a business into also will be a business. You're rushing be a business. So madam for be a business, I cost you man to missing baby. Ube who's here? Because Orashi, when you have one steady game, it's open. You also want to open, business. You keep yourself going, or financial status will be stable. But see, obi a year man in Chester will be a man. And to point number one, don't rush to start a business because everyone else is doing it. Now, point number two, don't rush to present your opinion. Don't rush to present your opinion. Adiabakwa was our sharing so year pan says speaking is so easy, yet so powerful. Kasa easy pan, but they're very powerful. Once you share something, for sure to me say you can't reverse it. What can? What did I say? So that's why you should always be careful to think before you talk and avoid saying things you don't mean. Particularly when you are in a hurry to defend yourself, you often talk before we think and end up disappointing our beloved ones. It happens to everyone. It can happen to everyone. In fact, make sure do not rush to present your opinion. It's in the assembly turbo. It's not penny for us assembly turbo. The patrons assembly. And I say, no be din come on, and no be come be. Man, pray home can be. Mr. Wasama will be the can. Fakwa dream. Then who shall someone be came. May disappoint you, be hurt you be. And I say, ebe call ye mommy. Michelle, do not rush to present your opinion. Think about it very carefully because before Obama APA free will do that. But now, point number three, reaching an important goal. Do not rush to reach an important goal. Do not rush to reach an important goal. What I say? But more people want big chances, and they want them now, like now. and confirm big opportunities. Baby now person baby now happy mom. They want it now. But the truth is, you must never rush to reach an important goal. If it's really important, you will also enjoy the path, not only the end results. And most of the time, the journey will teach you precious lessons, while the destination is only a result. So at the end of your importance, if there's this important goal you really want to reach, do not rush. You're step after step, and as a step by step. What I say? I was offer step with him now. As I saw first stages processes now we enjoy how beautiful the journey is. It's not a course school. You're in class 5 and can me through class 5, so I want to write BEC. You need to pass through the classes, the processes. It's never an experience. And so if you have an important goal and you really want to reach it, please. I am not saying you don't to reach an important goal. You should, but you should also take your time. Don't rush in reaching an important goal. Point number 4. And this point is very necessary. Don't rush in having kids. Don't rush in having kids. And pray hon ko. And pray hon shawo peba. This is another form of commitment to having a kid or having kids. It's another form of commitment. And I can say it's also an achievement. Yeah, it's an achievement too. But you can only enjoy the benefit of this one if you have succeeded in raising your kids to become responsible people. Don't go and bear children simple because your neighbor's wife just put to bed or your friend's girlfriend just put to bed. You must understand that kids come in between you and your job. So before thinking of having children, you must be very sure that you are ready to be a committed parent. Else, you may rush out. Don't rush in having kids. We know what we're talking about. So about 4 years ago, should I say this? Okay, so about 4 or 5, okay, I think 4 years ago. My cousin back home, they go be, not they go be, and the girl no say she wanted to test my cousin if open and so open. I don't know why she did that though. And you know say, I'll catch her make cousin say onion. I'll catch her make cousin say onion. This is about 4 years ago. Onion na community onion na wako yegu. My cousin got mad. He was, hey, me, hey, what's that? So me, I was asleep. I was in my room and he entered. Chala, we shot the beer here. And I said, I'm there. What's up? And I me told me a small boy. I mean, no, Coco Yegu says it was too. You got Danyami. I say. I wanted a simple, easy. I will feel say auto diapers. Turn on 1 and on 2. There's a your school visa. That's the one you prepared. And I'll be who say, oh, you're small boy, and I want your small boy. Me patrol. Minister say a trend about say, Mammy, I'm missing Wubie. Is that trend about no? Mammy, I'm missing Wubie. Now we crowd. Hey, Nasisiana, obey ye. I'm missing Wubie. Michelle. On prepare on why, men rushing ko wakola. On prepare on why. Sometimes I see young ladies about 24, 23, 25 years. Ma wona sabio asitire my head yam. And I ask myself so many questions. You're not prepared. I don't know. See, having a kid, you should prepare financially and mentally. You'll be can also. Don't rush in having kids, please. Even though be a wire cramp and our four cramp, it might worry like 3 years, and they'll tell you say you're ready for quality. Yeah, 2 years. You might worry for 5 years, and you say 7 to me won't bet me out. But on the catcher say you're ready for quality here. There are other businesses, projects are here. It's a year 2 year book crap. Make sure don't rush in having kids. Now our last point, which is the point number 5. Don't rush to end a relationship. Do not rush to end a relationship. So yesterday, I think we were watching Nas Dailies and the Omo breakup video. No, so matured though. Hey, obedient the girl Omo jai. Omo trans 6 years no mu jai. Na quite Omo for us who jai. Come on, maturity part hits. It's highest peak part. Hey, but show. Don't rush in ending a relationship. And now you don't have to end your relationship simply because your expectations are not met. It rains everything. Men pray. You see, there are people they will tell you, I want to end this relationship because I think my expectations are not met. I think we are not compatible. I think this. So I want to move on to the next person. Charlie, you should talk, baby. You should talk, baby. You need to consider the number of times or the years you have invested in that relationship before rushing out of it. What you say? You need to put everything into consideration. But then after how many years in it, it's not the same. Before you would end a relationship, you should put certain things into consideration. Ask yourself so many questions. Yeah, pray at home. Free relationship. We don't rush out of a relationship. Okay. Also, what's nasty? Now, dream home. Is it a good decision? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. It's not the kind of you so tall, baby. Baby, I should turn out at the chamber, not come before friends over tall. In so tall, abo. Pentecost Junction and as I Pentecost Road, it's super Metino, Pentecost Road, it's also about tall, baby, or there in Camus. Say, yeah, Bob, it's so tall, baby. It's a show. Because rushing out of a relationship sometimes a backfire. Once what putting with free, I feel because now I regret it. And you want to come back. So you have to calm down, take a deep breath, and think about the decision you are about to take before taking it. Unless you want to be committed to begging your ex afterwards. Me like this. If you want to break up with me and you don't think of it twice and you want to come back, that was just by the way. Alright, so these are things you should never do in a rush. Now, point number 1, don't rush to start a business because everyone else is doing it. Point number 2, don't rush to present your opinion. Point number 3, reaching an important goal. Reaching an important goal. Men rush to reach an important goal. Point number 4, don't rush to have kids. And point number 5, which is the last point, don't rush in ending a relationship. Alright, so this is where we end our lifestyle segment for today. Alright, so let's get into it. What do we have there? Stonebwoy and Sarkodie, Strength of a Woman. Good morning once again.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Cost. What?
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show.
a woman. Ain't nobody better than the boss chick. All the ladies wanna fight for the moolah. What they want, nobody for touch, cause she know the front quick. Self-made. What the mentality she cause she be well paid. On her boy, she looking for helpmate. Cause she know the fuck from self-paid. Some of you are hell late. She go pull up on you. What's up with friend and a woman? What cause I wanna say, would you do my yard? I'm a hang up for you. When you want bar, now what they want home. Now what I can I would die. They say I got love for you. That's a girl that work a car. That's a still I was a work him I would die. She go ride or die for you. Me say ride or die for you. Girl, you know me, I got the love for you. My last one CD I go bet on you. You got my body type and I know just any girl can go the place where you can go. Girl are independent and you buy your own things and no man never rent you no condo. Where you come so fine. 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 You can never pull a strong woman down. She got it all within a swan, I was sorry. Very confident, she never wear a frown. On Pessica, we don't crash, don't go worry. Oh, yeah, the dream, I got the money on her own. Need nature crash, she go treat you like a king. But you don't get it if you don't deserve the throne. Man, I come across money ain't a thing. When come a man, I'm go shopping with Dubai. I'm a coffin, yeah, my baby come to multiply. We do my back, got another on the side. On your know my girl, she can be taken for a ride. You know, go if you pay the price. You know, me, I got the love for you. My last one CD, I go bet on you. You got my body type and I know just any girl can go the place where you can go. Girl are independent and you buy your own things and no man never rent you no condo. Where you come so fine. 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 Woman, you never let it and a man overseas. You step in at the place and the whole of them freeze. You live up in a mansion and that never leaves. Any man try hype up, rest in peace. Because the strength of a woman, you go fit to do everything. The strength of a woman, make it all a play with the woman.
We be the street boys, we never give up. Unima bisa, unima bisa, unima bisa, bisa gamma. 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 Yeah, we break silence. And you giddy, we hate violence. Wanna boys and yeah, we pass by this. But with you, you go shun spiders. I yeah, we break silence. And you giddy, we hate violence. Wanna boys and yeah, we pass by this. But with you, you go shun spiders. Me I'm here, when him here, hear me. Yeah, boy, I'm here, and I'm in like between. I'm when you just hear me.
More music on trendybeats.com. More music on trendybeats.com.
Every day we party, every day we party. Now every day we party, every day we party. Every day we party, every day we party. Now every day we party, every day we party. Nation.
More music on trendybeats.com.
Every day we party, every day we party. Now every day we party, every day we party. Every day we party, every day we party. Now every day we party, Every day we party. Nation. So when you see me, just clap. Break it down, don't stop. So turn around and clap. Break it down, don't stop. I tried it. So when you see me, just clap. Break it down, don't stop. So turn around and clap. Break it down, don't stop. I tried it. Every day we party. Every day we party. Now every day we party. Every day we party. Every day we party. Every day we party. Now every day we party. Every day we party. Yeah, Philomena, your body now. I can't deny. Me who be that? I Jennifer, kilometer on the regular, baby. The worry now. Sisekina, shaking it now. Wiggling for me, breaking over me now.
Okay, so Dub Nation. Mahanam never draw down the curtains. Now for Sorina Kofi 93.3 FM. From Jenny me champion Boatin Cosmos from Jabuz Mani, I brought the perfect gentleman. Because we can't bomb Shambrani, football to go to Move, Cabo, and Gama Jamaica, Buji Toddy.
One dog.
My crowd, bye